have seen a golden sunset from the slopes of Knockmeal down, purple shadows gently stealing o'er the rolling hills of brown. In the trees the thrush and blackbird sing their songs of ecstasy. All is quiet, all is peaceful, evening in Mount Melody. Little heaven of the mountains, joy and peace we find in thee. Ever shall our hearts remember, evening in Mount Melody. Out beyond the dreaming meadows, through the woods and hilltops bare, steals the sound of holy voices, blending in a good night's prayer. Organ peals across the valley, echoing so tenderly. All is quiet, all is peaceful, evening in Mount Melody. Little